Have you ever wondered what happens to a seed when it's put in the ground? This is very important for farmers and gardeners. And so experiment 11 from Biology with Vernier, Cell Respiration, looks at what happens to seeds as they germinate. And in this version of the experiment, we're actually going to use two sensors to measure some parameters of our germinating peas. We're going to be using a GoDirect oxygen sensor and a GoDirect CO2 sensor, and so it measures the concentration inside the chamber here. Now, for this one, we've got a couple of different data sets here. One is using the germinated seeds, the other is ungerminated seeds, and so we can look at what happens there. So let's take a look at the data. The upper graph is the oxygen concentration in parts per million, and the lower graph is the CO2 concentration in parts per million. And right off, we notice something about them. We might notice that the slopes are different. So maybe one's going down, one's going up. Why is that? And so that's one of the things the lab wants you to investigate. To do the investigation, what they want you to do is maybe look at what's happening to the rate of these levels of the gases inside there. To do that, we have our graphical analysis software. And if I go up to the upper graph, I could come here and maybe I apply a curve fit. And it tells me something about the slope of that line, gives me something about the rate of respiration, and that could be very important. And so this experiment, as you analyze this data, to see what's happening with cell respiration.